Yes, all right. Yes, we are going there.
The Accra was going back.
Yes.
Welcome to Labadi Beach. You would have noticed a lot of people approaching us at this moment in this video. Get ready. People are going to be in your face asking, oh, do you want to stay at my restaurant? Buy this, buy that. It was quite hectic as we walked in. We basically had to say sorry the whole time and tell them that we'll come back to them later. It was just so hectic.
By the way, guys, we paid 20 Ghana cedis each to come here. Huh? You like the beach sand?
At Labadi Beach, there's lots of restaurants you'll see when you get onto the beach, where you can get drinks, food, the works. Everyone's going to try and get you to go to their restaurant. There's tents, lounges, everything. I heard that it was quite chill, Labadi Beach, but I think now that there's a lot of people trying to sell stuff, it was really quite hectic. But we still had a good time.
Wow, so is that all connected to the restaurant? Is that all the umbrellas connected to the restaurant? So where is it?
Noah, I'm not going to give you a point and I'm comfortable.
Now comfortable, right?
Yeah, we just walking around there. Maybe like we're at the beach.
So 50 for short ride. And what they have long ride?
The long ride, I will show you for distance. From here to go the riverside, they come back to short ride. From here to go the river, and go.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Now you see the back.
Oh, the river.
Right there.
Come on. Oh no, we already have one back there. Mom, we already have one back there. Yeah.
Come.
Hey.
Oh,
that's his, it fell off. So you say how much? 50 for a long one?
For short.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. And the pictures to go
it's gonna walk around.
Yeah, the one place, I'll go there.
Good man.
Yeah.
That's right.
So when we are settled down, how much do you want to charge us for long one?
The long one.
Yes.
The long
one is how many meters?
From here to go there to go back.
Yeah.
Where the flag, where the way from there. And you come back again.
I come back again to what?
For place I take you. If I take you from here, you go the riverside, go the end there, and come.
So how much is that? Honestly, is that a long one?
That's the long one.
Wow, what the city is expensive here.
I can come down for you because
Yeah.
I can reduce.
Calm down, reduce it.
That's why.
Wow.
Chilling.
Living a life, living my best life. At Labadi. so much. He went straight into it.
He loves sand.
He went straight into it.
He probably missed it.
He missed it. Son. Look. Oh, did you see the drum? See the drum? Look at the drum. Oh, you look. See the drum?
Run there, sir. I remember when we used to sing in the governmental and splash on beach and rock and awareness.
Oh, you need. Oh, yeah. No, I got him, bro.
Yeah, get out. You got it.
I'm okay.
You got it for the
I
camera.
got it again, my queen, guys.
Woo, smooth.
I like your road. Did you see the road? Whoa. Huh? Whoa, he's coming. Run. Run this way. You have to run this way. Oh, you want to go in more? Whoa. Wow, more. There's more coming, more. Run. Run, it's coming, run. Oh no. Oh, run. Oh no, run. Oh. Huh? Yeah, run. Oh, up. Wanna get up? Up. Yes, run. Run this way. Go to Mama. Do you see Mama? Yeah, you wanna go to Mama? Yeah, go to Mama. This one? This one? Oh, yeah, clear. Yeah. Go lah. Whoa. He's running up. Why are you running? Huh? Why are you running? He's running up. Huh? Why are you running? Huh? To make you fall. Huh? Huh? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Whoa! Oh no!
the Maltese and this is the Chihuahua.
Oh yeah.
Buy the necklace for me. Make her buy food for them. The mother is dead. I need small money to buy food for them. That's why I'm selling that. What's your name?
My name Noah.
My name is Jonathan. This is an African map.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me show you my way.
Oh yeah, I already bought one from.
This
I
is a
bought one
Ginger
from the arts and craft market.
Yeah, this is a
I bought
Ginger
one.
The
Oh, the
symbol
symbols.
for
Yeah.
God. And
I
these are
already
white
bought
stones.
one. I already bought one.
What about the white stones? These
Yeah, I
are
already
white
bought one.
You can't give your brother something small to buy some food for the dog.
No, seriously, yeah, seriously.
No, can I have
yeah.
something small to buy food for the dog?
Yeah, I already bought them. I already
Why
like
you
them.
no go
Yeah,
dash your brother something small? Yeah?
Thank you, bro.
Please.
Wow. Oh, that's a. I don't know how to do it, bro.
How to pull this, bloody.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody.
Oh, so it comes from this. Oh, your thumb leg? Like, oh, and then it goes back that way. And then it goes back in. Oh, yeah. Oh, so you close your arm like this, eh? Like this? Oh, yeah, I see. I see, yeah.
You got it.
Hey, I got it. Ah, there you go.
You got it.
There you go.
You got it. You got it.
There you go.
I know you want to work. Give it a second.
That's what I texted.
Come in, come in.
Hey, Halle Berry.
Hello, mommy. Oh, you want to keep playing, Azizo?
Take it. oh. You good? Sorry, you good? Huh? Here, look. Oh, yeah, look. Huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. Why everybody is falling today? Everybody is falling today. Oh man. Oh man. It's getting nicer and we're leaving.
Ah,
Wow.
that was so nice. The water was warm.
Wow, more people are coming.
Heading out after a
Labadi Beach.
yes, after a fun beach day. Aziza loved it. He did not want to leave. Let us see if he wants pineapple. Might not.
AC. How cheeky are they? They take the ticket from you. So which means if you even go out to go buy something, if you're coming back, you have to pay again.
Yeah. Oh, he didn't want that. He didn't want it? You want me to grab it? You have taken videos around here. No, I want to